Just got a ukulele. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 things that you need to know. Welcome to UKelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. I do appreciate it. It's great seeing you, by the way. And if you're new to the channel, we do ukulele tutorials, we do reviews, we also do some Guitarlele, that's right, and Baritone. Please subscribe and turn on that bell notification. That way you're going to get an alert every time we publish some amazing new content. So anyway, I'm so glad you're here. In this video, we're going to talk about, did you just get a uke? I mean, maybe it was for Christmas, maybe it was for your birthday, maybe it was just whatever. You found one. Whatever. A friend gave it to you, whatever it is, but you just got a uke, and now you're like, what do I do next? So in this video, I'm going to show you the top 5. That's right, the top 5 things that you need to know. All right, so what are the top 5 things you need to know? Are you ready? Here's number 1. Whoa, I got a new uke. But the first thing is you have to know how to tune your ukulele. You have to, please trust me on this. You have to know how to tune, because if you don't know how to tune and it's out of tune, you're not going to want to play it and you're going to put it down and then you're going to forget about it. So you got to learn how to tune. Now, I'm not going to show you how to tune in this video. I actually have other videos showing you how to tune, but get a tuner. Here's a great one. Really cool looking tie-dye one. And by the way, this tuner and other tuners I have are available at my store. That's the #1 store online. That's store.ukelikethepros.com, where you can get this. These are just simple headstock tuners. You just tune them on, tune them up. So you have to know the string names. That's really important if you just got uked, but I'll go over them real quick. It's just simple, real simple. G, C, E, A. And basically, in a nutshell, you just find those letters on it and you get that cursor to go right in the center. You can also get a tuner app as well. It doesn't matter, but just find a way. Make sure you learn how to tune. Again, I'll have videos on that. You can go ahead and click that link below if you want to know how to tune specifically. The second thing you need to know, especially if you just got a uke, is how to hold the ukulele. So, whoa, I have a different ukulele here in my hand. All right, so here's a couple of tips. If you don't have a strap, and I intentionally didn't use mine that have a strap. If you have a strap, that's totally fine. But anyway, you just want to simply hold it against your body. I like to have the angle of the neck just about here. So not 45, but just a little bit down. I'm going to use my forearm here to just simply put it against my body. Some people like it a little higher. Matter of fact, I'll use this other camera a little bit higher. And so they put it in more up here in the elbow, but you just want to simply have it. You want to sit up straight. You don't want to slouch. You want to sit up straight. You want to have your wrist in a nice relaxed position here, not only for strumming, but also the chord, so you don't put too much tension. And you just want to be able to play nice and relaxed. Now, if you want more of this on how to sit or how to hold the ukulele, I do have a video for this, and I also have a really fantastic beginning starter course, like a beginning ukulele starter course. If you just got it and you want some help, I'm going to really show you the fundamentals and the essentials in that particular course. That's really a fantastic course. You need to take that, especially if you're brand new on the ukulele. So that's it. Number 2 is how to hold or holding the ukulele. The number 3 thing you need to know if you just got your ukulele, and oh my gosh, another ukulele, where are these things coming from, is how to count. This is really, really important. All right, song first, and then I'll talk about it. All right, so how to count. This is so important. So I'm going to break it down real simple for you. Most of our songs that we like to play are pop songs, are rock songs, are blues songs. Maybe your Christian songs, maybe your holiday music is going to be in what we call 4/4. Don't even have to understand. We're not going to break it down into that. I do that in my courses, the beginning starter course that I have, the beginning boot camp course, Master Ukulele. We get more into what all that means. But you just want to know that follow that top number. So if it just says 4/4, just know that you got to count in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Maybe tap your foot a little bit. 4 and 1. Can you tap your foot? 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and gotta know how to count. So when you start playing with other people, or you start using a backing track, or you start using a metronome, you have to play in good time. That's what's really being a musician is all about. It's playing with that solid rhythm. And don't worry. I got goosebumps. I'm so excited. Don't worry if you feel like I'm horrible at rhythm. My music teacher when I was a kid told me I can't count. Don't worry about any of that. You can do this. You can count the 4 over and over again. Your time, I will get your time. I'll guarantee that I can get your time to be better. So that's 4/4. That's really, really common. Probably the most common one. Another one you see is counting in 3. Okay, so that happens too. So all you have to do is count to 3 instead of 4. It's real simple, like this. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. And then another one, I'll show you one more. Those are the most common. 4/4 is the most common. Then you hear 3/4. But the next most common is 6/8. Okay. Oh, what happened to that bottom number? Instead of being a 4, it's an 8. Don't worry about it. Don't need to know that right now. I don't even want to say what it is because I don't want to confuse you, but just know that you're going to count, follow that top number, 6. So it'll be something like this. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, say 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, let's keep going. 4, 5, say 1, 2, 3. A lot of blues music is in 6/8. Not all. I mean, there's some other stuff too, but that's also a very common one. So, by the way, that was just the blues. If you like the blues, well, guess what? I have a fantastic blues ukulele course. It's probably not a beginning course, but as you improve and you want to get into the blues, I do have a great course. So that was number 3, is how to count. The number 4 thing that you need to know as an ukulele player is you got to know your chords. Chords are probably the most important thing that you need to know as an ukulele player. Yeah, playing melodies is great, soloing, finger picking, all that stuff. Matter of fact, the finger picking is super key that you know your chords, but you have to know your chords. I would start with your basic chords, like your C chord, your F chord, your A minor chord, your G7 chord. All right, those are just 4 of your basic chords, but you got to know your chords. Guess what? I'm going to help you out right now. I'm going to give you this right here. This is my beginning ukulele pocket chords. This is filled with chords on the front and the back. I'm going to give it to you totally for free. We'll put a link up below where you go get it. Trust me on this. Just get this thing, memorize the first 3 lines, which are your major chords, your minor chords, and your 7th chords. Right there. If you can just get these first 3 lines memorized, you're going to be well on your way to playing a majority of song. And then as you see other chords pop up, you'll see a lot of them right here on this chord chart. So get this. This is your chords. You got to get these down. And here's a little pro tip for you. Get the chords memorized. So don't feel like I got to go get all of these chords memorized. That's not what I'm telling you. Get them memorized one at a time. Get your major chords memorized, right? This first line here. Then get the minor chords memorized. Then get the 7th chords. Trust me on this. Once you get these down, it's going to help you so much when you're just switching chords. If you don't have to look at the chord diagrams all the time and try, oh, what's that chord? What's the A minor chord? No, just get them down. Just practice. That's all it is. It's repetition. Once you get them down, it's going to make your strumming, it's going to make your song, it's going to make everything so much better when you get your chords down. So go ahead. Go get this. This is a great thing to have, a great resource, the ukulele pocket chords. And we do give these away, by the way. Anybody that buys a ukulele at store.ukelikethepros.com, we actually include this as well. And we actually have them for baritone ukulele, we have them for guitarlele, and we even have one for guitar. But since you're a ukulele player, this one right here is for ukulele. The number 5 thing you need to know as an ukulele player is how to strum. I don't really know where these ukuleles are coming from. It's like they're falling out of the sky. But if you like any of these ukuleles, I've been having my Aloha, some Pineapple Sundays, some Romero Creations. Check out store.ukelikethepros.com, the #1 site to get all your ukulele needs. So strumming. All right, this is the last step that we're going to talk about in this video, but you have to know how to strum. You have to get used to strumming. And there's a couple ways you can strum. You can strum with your thumb, or you can strum with your index finger. Now, you can use a pick if you're a guitar player. People use a pick, but not really so much used on the ukulele. Really, it's really going to be about your thumb and your index finger. Now, there's a little bit of technique involved with strumming. And again, we're not going to go over here, but if you're really something you want to strengthen, you're going to check out my beginning ukulele starter course. That's a fantastic. We're going to go over the beginning of using the thumb, using the index finger to learn how to strum. And then once you get that down, you can then launch into my beginning bootcamp course, my Master Ukulele 1 course. And then after that, like the sky's the limit. You can do my blues course or my music reading course. It doesn't matter. You can even come and join our premium membership. But learning how to strum, learning where to strum on ukulele is so, so important. And it's going to help you just get more enjoyment and sound better. And that's really what we're here. We want to get you on the right track. You just got your ukulele, get you these 5 things that we're talked about here and get you on the right track. So it doesn't matter, again, if you're using your thumb, using your finger, you're going to get you there. Learn how to strum well. Okay, so those are the 5 things. You remember them? Let's go over them. Number 1 is you got to learn how to tune. Number 2 is you got to learn how to hold the ukulele. Number 3 is you got to learn how to count. Number 4 is you got to learn your chords. And number 5 is you got to learn how to strum. So get those down. Again, check out ukelikethepros.com for the courses. How did you like this video? Did you learn a little bit of something? This will help prioritize what you need to learn. Leave a comment below if, one, you struggle with any of these things or if this video has helped you in any way. Also, make sure to smash that like button. Let's get this video out. I know it's going to help a lot of people because during this time, well, that I'm recording this, but really during any time, there's a lot of people getting ukuleles and they don't know where to start. So you want to start right here with these 5 things that we just went over. So again, thanks for being here. I do appreciate it. We're going to put links below for all the stuff I talked about. Have a good one. Good luck on your strumming. I can't wait to see you over at ukelikethepros.com, part of the Ukelele Pros Nation. And until next time, we'll see you then.